Hiya, kiddos. Thanks for joining Grandpa Ken and Barkley again. Barkley's still excited about Halloween. But today we're not going to read about Halloween. No. Can you tell by my hat? We're going to read. You guys really let me know you liked Wonder Woman. So I found another one that you might like as much. And that's called The Justice League. Huh? It's for kiddos like you and me that are just learning about the Justice League. I think that would be good. So here we go. Today, Clark Kent was going to interview the police chief at Metropolis. But when Clark went to the station, he knew nothing seemed right. Something was wrong. All the cops were standing still. A cop looked at Clark with a strange blank stare. See, he just came into the room and all the cops were just staring. I know that look, said Clark. He turned the cop around. There was a small starfish stuck to the back of his neck. Yuck! Clark checked all the cops, and every one of them had a starfish. Starro, he cried. Clark knew he had to act. This looks like a job for da-da-da-da-da, Superman. Superman had faced Starro before. The evil alien starfish could take over anyone's mind. He was a powerful enemy, and this time Starro had even more people under control. Superman needed help. He called his friends Batman and Wonder Woman, but Starro had struck their cities too. See, there they are. They're his friends. Starro cloned himself and sent his legion to destroy our city, said Batman. To stop him, we'll need help. See, it's okay to ask for help when you need help, kiddos. Wonder Woman knew just who to call. A few minutes later, Superman, Batman, and Wonder Woman were together with some new friends. Kiddos, can you pick any of them out? I see Flash and I see Aquaman. Let's see who else is there. The Flash could run faster than anyone on Earth. Aquaman had the power to swim deep into the ocean without even getting tired. Martian Manhunter could read people's thoughts, and with his powerful ring, Green Lantern could create anything he could imagine. Whoa, kiddos. As a kiddo myself, I read comic books a lot, and Green Lantern and Superman and Aquaman, they were my favorites. This is a big job, said Superman. We must defeat the clones. By the way, the clones are just like making a copy of somebody. Then we have to find Starro and stop him for good. The superheroes agreed to split up into teams. See, you can always get more done if you work with a team, because then there's two hands, two bodies, two heads. Superman and the Flash zoomed back to Metropolis, and the brainwashed cops were all over the city. I'll round them up, said Flash. Be back in a second. In a blink of an eye, the Flash returned with all the officers together. Wow, he's fast, he's Flash. Superman breathed in deeply, one by one. He froze the starfish with his icy breath. The Flash circled around and around and gathered the frozen clones. That was quick. The two speedy superheroes laughed together. They got him, didn't they? Yeah. But meanwhile, the Flash and Superman raced to Gotham City. Batman had found all the clones with his back computer. Between the Flash's speed and Superman's freeze breath and Batman's combat skills, they had the clones collected in no time. Wow. See, you got to work together as a team, because a team is all the people on the team. Meanwhile, in Washington, D.C., Green Lantern used his power ring to find and gather the cops. Wonder Woman snared one in her lasso of truth. Tell me where Starro is. Wonder Woman said. He's in the depths of the sea, said the officer. Ooh, well, we know who's coming up next, don't we, kiddos? Huh? In the depth of the sea? We'll see about that, said Wonder Woman. Martian Manhunter, do you copy? She said in her mind. Got it, said Martian Manhunter. He and Wonder Woman had linked minds. Time to hit the beach, the alien hero told Aquaman. See? They thought it, and they both knew what they thought. That's reading someone's mind. That's pretty neat. Martian Manhunter sent the rest of the superheroes a mental message. Mental. See, he did it in his head. They all met at the edge of the ocean. Aquaman dived into the water. He swam as fast as a shark. There, in the murky depths of the ocean, he found the vile starfish. Ooh, look at him. And he's in the ocean. Well, Aquaman knows pretty good the ocean. Aquaman grabbed Starro by the arm and pulled him up. Green Lantern used his ring to help lift Starro out of the ocean. Superman froze the villain with his icy breath. Ooh, see? Everybody on the team is important, and they all had their job to do. Time to get rid of this pest, said Martian Manhunter. He and Superman grabbed Starro and the clones and flew them into outer space. Superman used his super breath to scatter the starfish all over the galaxy. Whoa, the two of them, see, they can fly and go up into space. Back on Earth, the superheroes celebrated. Nothing like teamwork to keep the planet safe, said Batman. And that's what Grandpa Ken's been saying. You gotta work with your team, because then everybody's a superhero. And that's what I think you kiddos are. You're my superheroes. Keep smiling. Be respectful to your adults. And remember, you catch more flies with honey than vinegar. Does that make any sense? Ask your grown-up. They'll explain it. Thank you, kiddos, for coming. I'll see you later.